Okay, it's Wednesday, October 4th. I'm buying some SPY 425 puts here at 453. This is on the 15-minute chart, 15-minute bar number 3. As we kind of started up, took out those pre-market highs on a little bit of a move up, inside bar, and then breaking to the downside. So I'm buying the puts here, looking forward to kind of work towards those pre-market lows and yesterday's lows. This is on the daily chart. We had a red day yesterday. We gapped up a little bit above the pre-market highs, but that's still below the midpoint of the prior day. And then we kind of failed here on bar 3, heading lower. We'll see if this bar kind of closes red. That's what you want to see. And then we'll kind of work towards those intraday lows and yesterday's low. You kind of expect yesterday's low to be tested after a red bar from yesterday, so we'll see if that unfolds within the downtrend, and our stop will kind of be the midpoint of that first bar, which is kind of the high of these two bars right here. So if we can just start it working down here, we can scale out, set up a no risk trade, and then see if we get kind of a test of that low. We still have that yellow line target that I talked about. If we go back on the daily chart, I don't know if I can zoom it out that far here, you can see that's kind of our next target that we talked about. There's a fair value gap. So midpoint, below midpoint of the prior day, kind of failed at the pre-market highs, which I like to see. I like taking out those stops, and now we're starting lower on bar 3. So going short here, and we have these targets, yesterday's low, pre-market lows, and that yellow line low in the bigger picture.